Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in the editor with the Fjordur map loaded and collision visible. This prevents hidden problems later. First, isolate the dragon cave and set the grid to 1 meter so your verts snap consistently. Then create simple base mesh planes across the cave floor and walls, snapping vertices to terrain to follow contours. Once done, reduce LOD to medium to keep viewport fast. This initial pass defines shape and avoids rework when you refine details. Now refine topology so the mesh behaves well in-game. Insert edge loops to support arches and maintain quads to get predictable lighting. Make sure overhangs have supporting geometry and add half-meter chamfers on sharp edges to catch specular highlights. Once you have clean geometry, unwrap UVs with consistent texel density and bake normals plus ambient occlusion at 2K. This reveals shading problems early. After baking, test the mesh in the level to confirm collision and sightlines. Make adjustments where lighting or geometry reads wrong. Finish by merging parts and applying transforms. Set the pivot at the cave entrance so placements align in Fjordur. Export an FBX using meters and include collision meshes. This preserves scale and physics. Import into the map, place the mesh, and run a collision/navmesh check. If you see seams, lighting blotches, or walkthrough gaps, inspect normals and UV seams, rebake ambient occlusion, then tighten vertex snapping. One key tip: if navigation fails, regenerate navmesh after small geometry fixes to clear stale data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.